Yeah. We're gonna see a little update here on the
Secret.
Yep. What is it?
I saw a dog and I ran it over.
Okay.
You want to see what it looked like?
Yeah, what it look like.
Guys, you get your 3-inch tube, 1310. Drive shaft is in. Wheels are on.
Obviously, so yeah, he's good. Wheels are what?
Everything looking good.
Oh, you want to see the sensor thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check
This
it out.
is the AEM sensor that we have. I know it's hard to see, but it reads off the wheel studs.
The wheel studs.
Yeah, and then it's ran up through into the body.
Nice. Check it out, guys.
Everything's done.
Brakes done. Wheels are on.
E-brakes are
Drive shaft's going up next.
Drive shaft and fuel.
And fuel. Yep.
Yep.
Is the vent on?
Real nice. Real nice. Real nice. That's it. Drive shaft going up. Big 3-inch tubes. Yo, YouTube.
Yeah, I know. I give the people coverage.
All right. There you go. Drive shaft up straight. First step right here, guys. You bolt up the brackets, then see where it lands, then clean off. First step.
It's all mounted. The whole back end's done. So now we went and picked up the drive shaft here with the 1310s. All of it, 1310, the whole thing with the 3-inch tubing. 3-inch tubing up here also. So this ain't breaking. They're mounting it up. So this is what we're talking about. So when you mount this up, this is the most important thing about this that I think that's overlooked, that a lot of people don't realize that this thing is really real thin. So what we do is we mount everything up, we press it up, and now we drill the hole straight through here. But we have a plate here. What we're going to do with this plate, once everything is done, is we're going to weld it to the chassis. So there's no way this is going to break. And then what we're going to do on this plate here, we're going to weld a nut onto here. So this way here, we could bolt it in. Because if you try to just go ahead and rip nut this on here, this whole thing will rip apart. Or if you, weld this bracket onto here, then it's a pain in the butt to take off. So this is, I think, the most
Best way to do it, right?
Best way to do it. And plus, it's like the spacing is like, I don't know what it is, it's like perfect with these.
Yeah, this one's perfect because it's not banged up or nothing. It's nice.
Yeah. So like right now, it's like it's all pressed against it. So even how this sits with this carrier band, it sits perfectly. You don't have to put spaces here. You don't have to make this thing lower. So
good, man.
Yeah. So once we get all that bolted up, then we're gonna cut this off here to make it nice and all that. And then we're gonna paint it down here.
Then gas tank.
And then gas tank, and then next week, gas tank is.
Gas tank's coming in Monday, and then.
Yeah, he's off back to Maryland.
Sweet. And then we
gone. What we got? What's up, bro? Chilling.
Yeah, please do. I don't want her to beat me up.
Hold on a second here. What?
Oh.
Damn.
Nice. They got a camera going. Oh, S1 camera. I'm loving that. I'm already gonna pop.
Top.
Big ups to Ross.
100% top.
Sick, my guy. Yeah, these are looking good. Big ups to Ross coming through. These look nice. You're gonna see the H-Tier girls gonna be flossing and for sale, right? Or just?
No, just for us.
Just us? Nice.
This is the plates that we've made. Like you can see here, we weld nuts inside of it, inside of them, and then weld the plate to the car because, how we said before, how thin the metal of the unibody is, it would just rip right out. So they're painted now, or they're welded now, and I'm gonna paint them, and Jay's gonna paint the brackets, the carrier bearing brackets that go across, and then they're gonna get bolted on, and it's good to go.
Yep. Check it out, guys. Just like the last one, we'll try to show you guys the process. This is another video to show you how to properly mount it. gonna show you again when it's all bolted up. Alright, Russell. Thanks, man. Thanks for them gears, man. Check it out, guys. You see how it is? It's done. Everything's up. All bolted. See it? Yep. Just do a test fit really quick. Perfect. You guys are still cutting out the bottom of this, or what?
What? Yeah, we got to do that.
Okay.
Alright, angle wise, that's gonna. Can we do this way? Just place it like a little bit here and there and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I'll do like quick pulls and just drive it to work and shit like that.
Check it out. This car right here, you know the Ford E-Catch has been working on. It's coming real sleeper. If you see this on the street, you don't know what but all-wheel drive, baby. But it's coming together nice, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Can't wait till it's done.
So he just bought me a bunch of stuff, so next week we'll be pretty
On it
hard
again.
on it again.
That's
Yeah,
good.
we've kind of been like a little bit here every day, but now that I have a lot of stuff, then I'll be like pretty hard on it.
Pretty hard on it, yeah.
I started playing with the last thing we were doing before we took it off the list was playing with the fuel to attach the fuel to the you know, to the factory fill. I'll show you kind of what we were doing.
The four-door sedan, I had to make it safe for the kids.
Yeah,
Yeah.
All-wheel drive.
yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, so we've been playing with this. That was my last thing, but I have your fuel mesh over there, but to go for the fuel, and then it's gonna be like kind of, yours is gonna come out at like a nice angle so that you don't get that. We're trying to avoid you're actually one of the first ones we're trying to do this to avoid the problem of having to not fill it so slow.
Yeah.
You know, because we do it the other ones, and then like you go to fill it, and it's just like you have to sit there and you can't like full throttle, because if you full fill it, they just keep clicking all over. So we're trying to avoid the whole clicking thing for your car. So you'll be like one of the first ones that we're gonna try to do that with too, actually.
Yeah, that's nice, right in the center.
Yeah, well, we did it like, yeah, this is gonna be fuel return, and then this is a vent. This is gonna be just vent. So we're running you know, fuel safe rubber, and then I'm just gonna wrap them in like a kind of like a what do you say, like a wire loom, but not for wiring. They make like a nice like a little wrap, and then this is fuel return, and it's gonna 90 back right underneath the tank. So everything that involves, like anything that involves like a hose, is going to be all in that one little spot, so that he can like put stuff around it or whatever.
Oh yeah, man. Can't wait. Y'all doing a good job.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Crazy builds in here.
Yeah. You saw this one over here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was showing, but it's like almost the same. It's just really fast.
Yeah.
I was like,
it's just
not-
fast cars, dude. When it comes
Yeah,
down to
they're
it, it's
just
fast
fast,
cars.
Looking at that makes me want to pull my wallet out.
But have a safe trip, brother.
All right, man. You too, brother. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
Cool,
so,
no
I
problem.
guess, yeah.
Check it out, guys. Finished product. Now it's good to go. You see that? That drag cartel. Test this thing out. Everything's looking good where it should. So you can use this video, another video, for example, how to read a drive shaft. Just welding up the bracket for the pumps. Running some fuel lines up there.
Yeah, just getting all the fuel lines and everything set up. We should have the fuel cell in by Monday morning, so we just want to get everything ran and have it all ready to go all the way up to all the pumps, so that once the fuel cell gets here, we can just finish the lines and go ahead and get it started up from there.
Nice, everything's coming together. Things we saw thought.
I mean,
Nice, bro. So there's fuel lines all the way over here. Flex fuel. Where's your sensor?
the flex fuel sensor is in the front, so
In the
it's
front?
close to the regulator.
Right. Okay.
You guys check out the custom tank. Got done up. It's like real exact. It's external. Real neat.
So we're gonna be making a cover for this, you know, so you can be racing legally and everything. I'm gonna share the cover here in a minute. That mic's. Yo, we're gonna go pick up some diff fluid. Yo, my right in the back. That's a real yard man. Yo, man, I'll just be up here.
I'll just be up here. What, you don't want to run the back?
Shit. Yeah, man. I'll run out back, my yo.
Take out this.
What?
You gotta come back here. How far can I go? Just tell me,
So we're gonna go
me
pick
when
up
I
some-
hit the Toyota Tundra bumper.
Some differential fluid for the Wago diff. Then we add some gas, and that's it, right? Start up, check for leaks.
Yep. Check for leaks. Go ahead and
Rip
start
it. Advance. Get some fluid. The whole crew come here. They already know everything. All right, thank you. We out of here. You know where we at? I mean, not O'Reilly. Advance. My bad.
O'Reilly.
I'm joking, y'all. No more discount. Hurry up and order, B.
Can I get a 10-piece nugget?
What is the rest of us gonna eat?
Alright. Can I get 4 10-piece? Can I get 50 nuggets?
Damn, that's a lot of nuggets, bro. Just get that's a lot of nuggets, bro. That's too much.
Can I get a lot of honey mustard and barbecue?
My youth.
Thank you.
You getting 50 nuggets for real? You gonna?
Alright, that's it. Go.
Go. Yo, 50. Hey. Yo, I don't eat this stuff because I'm a healthy freak.
Sorry. And the vanilla iced coffee? Sorry, they drove off before I could even say it. What about, can I get a vanilla iced coffee? Barbecue and
A lot of barbecue, a lot of sour.
What happened to the iced coffee?
Add a vanilla coffee to that.
No. Come on, keep running.
Thank you.
Go!
Hey man, Philly nugget. What the iced coffee, my youth? Yo, no iced coffee for you. Now we just got some Amsoil up in that thing. Got some gas in there, and we're good to go. Just full of dip up.
Cooking oil.
Put some cooking oil, so we're gonna cook up some Honda Magic right now.
Oh, we got coconut oil in there?
We got coconut oil. Mix with some lotion, the real lubrication.
This is gonna make you some lotion.
Cocoa butter.
Free lube.
We put cocoa butter in our dips for that extra grit. To start up, let's go.
Tell me when, okay?
Prime the pump first, because I want to see if there's anything coming out.
Alright, let me know if anything leaking up there, people.
Yeah, go. Rocket. Oh, most of the fluid that.
What the line I'm going to feel up back out there?
Yeah, man, I feel everything's good.
What do you think? Are you ready, man?
Okay, got you. Go.
Ready?
Big time. Start up. You guys saw when he let up on the second gear to third gear because injector flew up and there was C85 everywhere. So we're going to show you guys what's going on with that right now. Look, the pallets that was held here is already off the 8th day. 2 pallets off the 8th day, so we're going to see you guys there.
So he went for a drive and these injector right here, this whole fuel rail popped up. I think what happened was these right here was a little too short. I think what happened was like I only got a couple threads and all that.
And with the pressure, right? The pressure
Yeah, and then pressure popped everything out. So what we did was I went ahead and retapped it. We're gonna use a new one. And went and got some chads running to go get some longer button head style, so we could bolt this thing down.
Bolt it down.
And then we're actually gonna use the right one. We're gonna use these spacers. It goes on here instead of the one that
that came with it.
yeah, that they use.
Oh,
These
just
right
using
here.
those. Okay.
Yeah. So
All right.
gonna make it work.
Button it up so we can make a good run.
Yeah.
This is our tank cover that we built. So we just got done with it. We're gonna go ahead and get it placed on, and then we're gonna build some tabs for the side so that we can bolt it down.
It's definitely covered up. This is nice right here, man. That's
Yeah,
that's
so we got
another
a
thing.
little trap door so that you can still fill it with fuel, and then if you need to take the lines off or anything like that, you'll be able to do it from there.
That's sick. Yeah. So check it out, guys. If you need your stuff done up like this, you can always contact us. It's a long line, but you know, we do it. We do it.
Yep.
Plus, we do Subis now.
Oh, the
No,
Subis,
don't
too.
bring him. Yo, so we buttoned up a few things. We're gonna go on another test drive right now. Drop the third gear. No fuel will spill out. This thing looks sick from the back. Check it out. Come on. Hey, Pamaletto. My. Here we go. Here we go. Everything's buttoned up, the fuel, everything. So we're gonna see what's up. Yo, that thing was flying. So we're thanking Raheem to come down, be part of the family. Don't know one more yard man at the place. So just like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. One more.
Don't get caught slipping even on the straight, yeah. Warming up at A6. The Florida got the street cred. We rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch. B-Series or a ZC and that LSV tech. Hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips. And ain't no 12 to catch us so. K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF. Go back to the days of the HF.